Do you want to know what foods can make you happier naturally? Today, we're diving into a deliciously uplifting topic: foods that can naturally stimulate the production of dopamine. This hormone, often dubbed the happy hormone, plays a crucial role in how we perceive pleasure and happiness. From your morning coffee to your evening dessert, the foods you consume can have a significant impact on your mood. So let's get ready to embark on a culinary journey to joy. Stay tuned to discover the 10 foods that can boost your happiness. First on our list is bananas. These yellow wonders are not just your on-the-go snack, they are packed with tyrosine, an amino acid that your brain converts into dopamine. Not to mention, bananas are also rich in vitamin B6, which aids in dopamine production. Now let's talk about spinach. This leafy green is more than just Popeye's secret weapon. It's a powerhouse of folate, a nutrient that triggers the release of dopamine in your brain. Plus, it's loaded with magnesium, a mineral known to support brain health and mood regulation. Last but not least, almonds. These tiny miracles contain phenylalanine, another amino acid that helps in the production of dopamine. Additionally, almonds are a good source of healthy fats and fiber, which can help you feel satisfied and happy. So, the next time you're feeling down, consider reaching for bananas, spinach, or almonds. Moving on, we have avocados. This creamy green fruit is more than just a toast topper. It's packed with monounsaturated fats and vitamin K, both of which aid in dopamine production. They're also rich in fiber and heart-healthy fats, making them a superb choice for overall well-being. Next up are chickpeas. These little legumes are a powerhouse of protein and fiber. They're also loaded with folate, a B vitamin that plays a critical role in dopamine regulation. So, next time you're whipping up a batch of hummus, remember you're doing your brain a favor. And finally, let's talk about beets. This root vegetable may not be everyone's favorite, but its high concentration of betaine, an amino acid that aids in dopamine production, makes it worth a try. They're also a great source of antioxidants, which are key for a healthy brain. Remember, avocados, chickpeas, and beets are not just delicious, but they're mood boosters too. As we approach the end of our list, let us not forget apples. These crisp, juicy fruits are not only delicious, but they're also rich in antioxidants that promote dopamine production. Furthermore, they're packed with dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied. Now, imagine a hot summer day. What's more refreshing than biting into a juicy slice of watermelon? This hydrating fruit isn't just water and sugar. It contains an amino acid called L-citrulline, which is converted into L-arginine in the body. This amino acid is known to enhance the production of dopamine. Oatmeal, on the other hand, is a great start to your day. It's rich in complex carbohydrates, which can increase the amount of tryptophan in your brain. This is converted into serotonin, which then becomes dopamine. And finally, chocolate. Dark chocolate, to be precise. It's not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your brain. It contains phenylethylamine, which can boost your mood and dopamine levels. So apples, watermelon, oatmeal, and a piece of chocolate can brighten your day naturally. To recap, we've learned about 10 fantastic foods that can boost our mood naturally. Bananas, spinach, and almonds are all rich in essential nutrients that promote dopamine production. Avocados, chickpeas, and beets are not only delicious, but also dopamine boosters. And let's not forget about the sweet and healthy apples, refreshing watermelon, hearty oatmeal, and the ever-favorite chocolate. Each of these foods has the power to elevate your mood in the most natural way. Incorporate these foods into your diet, and you'll be on your way to a happier, healthier you. Until next time, eat well and stay happy.